I didn't have any skills of working.
Yeah, no talent. You've never seen.
No talent. But yabo uthi ngiyakwazi ukuluka.
Oh.
Yeah, ngiyakwazi ukuluka inwele.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Snoopy, I'm a straight back.
Yeah.
Yonke lezi.
So why you don't focus on that?
Yabo uthi yabo imali inkinga.
Yeah.
Yabo uthi mefuna ukuvula i-salon udinga imali. Yeah.
But uyakwazi ukuthi ube nama clients akho uhamba wena uye kuwona mhlawumbe ayakufonela mefuna ukuluka yabo abantu nje around awunawo ama clients kanjalo.
Not at the moment.
Yeah.
Not at the moment. You see, because in the area where I'm living in, there's too much of salons.
Oh.
Yeah. There's too much of salons. Manje awazi uthi angifuni ama conflicts.